Hello, welcome again. We are solving some conventional questions of refrigeration and air conditioning. The topic is refrigeration. Question number 63 from Engineering Services Mains 2023. The total pressure maintained in an Electrolux refrigerator is 15 bar. The temperature obtained in the evaporator is minus 15 degrees Celsius. The quantities of heat supplied to a generator are 1 4 20 kilojoules to dissociate 1 kilogram of vapor and 2 1460 kilojoule per kilogram for increasing the total enthalpy of NH3. The enthalpy of NH3 entering the evaporator is 330 kilojoule per kilogram. Take the following properties of NH3 at minus 15 degrees Celsius, pressure 2.45 bar, enthalpy of vapor 1666 kilojoule per kilogram, specific volume 0.5 meter cube per kilogram, hydrogen enters at the evaporator at 45 degrees Celsius, gas constant for H2 4.218 kilojoule per kilogram per degree Celsius, Cp for H2 12.77 kilojoule per kilogram per degree Celsius. Find the COP of the system assuming NH3 leaves the evaporator in saturated condition. So we know that the COP in vapor absorption cycle is heat removed from evaporator divided by heat supplied to generator, and heat removed from evaporator is uh, enthalpy of vapor is 1666 kilojoule, and it is entering at 330 kilojoule. So this is the heat removed from evaporator per kg, and heat supplied to generator is here 420 plus 1460. So COP comes out as 0.710.